Today I'm going to be making something a little fun and old school. I'm making a vegan chocolate and raspberry Pop-Tart recipe. So what I'm going to be using for this recipe is the Happy Whey Triple Choc Fudge protein powder. I've got the vegan one, however you could use whey or also just the Choc pea protein. I've got some flour, I'm using gluten-free, however any flour will do. Coconut sugar for sweetness, baking powder, vegan butter, some water, and I've got some raspberries for the filling and some coconut sugar and lemon. And also for the icing, I'm going to be using coconut yogurt. So there's a couple parts to this recipe. To make the dough for the Pop-Tarts, I'm simply going to be adding the flour, the coconut sugar, baking powder, butter, water, and protein into a bowl, mixing that all together until it's nice and doughy. However, you could use an electric beater. I'll just be hand mixing it today. And then I'll roll that out between two pieces of baking paper, then slice the dough into desirable rectangle shapes. And then for the filling, to make the raspberry filling, I'm simply going to be mashing up the raspberries, the lemon juice and coconut sugar, and then placing that in the middle of the rectangles. Then I'll be placing another sheet of the rectangle dough mixture on top. Using a fork, I'll simply seal in the raspberry filling, place it into an oven that's preheated to 175 degrees for about 10 minutes until they're nice and golden and cooked. And then I'm simply going to serve it up with some coconut yogurt and some more raspberries.